Of the healthcare reform law, which took effect this past week, will preventative care like mammograms and immunizations now must be covered. Children can stay on their parents' policies until the age of 26, and lifetime coverage limits are gone. But some of these changes may only be temporary if Republicans have their way. Many say repealing the new healthcare law will be first item on the agenda if the GOP gains a congressional majority after the midterm elections. So I talked about that with healthcare expert Andrew Rubin.
As someone who works in the healthcare industry and understands it pretty well, healthcare reform does not work if you start picking apart pieces of this. And what the Republicans are talking about doing is they're latching on to public opinion polls which say a good chunk of Americans don't support health care reform. But what they want to do is they want to, quote, fix it and take provisions out of the bill that was turned into law. And quite frankly, it just won't work because health care is so interconnected and it's so complicated, as we all know. So to start picking apart pieces of it, the whole thing will collapse. I don't know what's going to happen. I got to tell you, if they do start picking apart pieces of this and they actually succeed in the political circles, then health care reform, basically we have to start all over because it won't work.
Andrew Rubin, their health expert. So for more information on the health care law and Republicans' efforts to repeal it potentially, go to CNN.com.